When babies start growing, they need extra energy and healthy food. Some babies are naturally small, but giving the right foods can help them gain weight in a safe and healthy way. Here are some foods that help a baby gain weight. Bananas are one of the best foods for weight gain. They are soft, easy to mash, and full of healthy carbs. You can mash a ripe banana and give it directly to your baby. They also give quick energy and keep your baby full for longer. Avocados are rich in healthy fats that help babies gain weight. They are creamy and soft. Just scoop out the inside and mash it well before feeding. They are also gentle on the stomach and easy for babies to digest. Porridge is a super healthy food for babies. It has calcium, iron, and provides good energy. Make it with milk or water and cook until it becomes smooth. It helps keep babies full and supports healthy growth. Potatoes are high in carbs and very filling. Boil and mash them with a little butter or ghee. They make a great lunch or dinner for weight gain. They are also easy for babies to digest. Yogurt is easy to digest and rich in healthy fats. Use full-fat plain yogurt, which is creamy and gentle on your baby's tummy. Full-fat milk is a great source of calories, protein, and calcium, helping your baby gain healthy weight and grow strong. Regular intake supports bone development and provides energy for daily activities. Pulses are full of nutrients. They are rich in protein, magnesium, calcium, iron, fiber, and potassium. After 6 months of age, you can introduce pulses in the form of soup, which is one of the most popular foods to help babies gain weight. They also support healthy growth and keep your baby full for longer. Almonds, walnuts, apricots, cashews, raisins, and seeds like sesame, pumpkin, and flax provide baby with essential nutrients to gain weight, and are one of the best foods for babies to gain weight. They can be added to food in many interesting ways. You can grind them into a fine powder or paste and mix them into porridge, or yogurt for easy consumption. Cheese is another good source of healthy fats and protein. Pediatricians often recommend cheese to increase caloric intake for babies, as it is rich in calcium and easy to incorporate into meals like pasta or sandwiches. It also helps in building strong bones and supports healthy weight gain. Eggs are high in protein and contribute to both weight gain and brain development. You can serve them as a soft-boiled, scrambled, or omelette for your baby. By giving these foods, your baby will gain weight and grow healthy and strong.